With you sitting a lot, your sacrum, your tailbone is lifting up. That's why it's jamming the low back. Because you sit all the time, right? Mm-hmm. So your tailbone, like say the triangle, right? Mm-hmm. So say it sits like this, is pointing up because you sit a lot. Oh. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to push it down. Good. Now let's see if it's moving. Good. Now we're moving. Okay. I'm going to do one more. Good. Good. I'm going to get it right now. Let your right arm dangle to the floor. Good. There it is. Thank you. Now we're going to come here. There it is. Okay. I'm going to come right in here. There it is. There it is. And there it is.